Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
This is a model of a traditional elevated stilt house, a common architectural style in Southeast Asia, particularly in rural and flood-prone areas. 1. Primary structure, stilt house. Elevated living space. The main living area is built on the upper floor, supported by tall wooden pillars or stilts. Ground floor. The open space underneath the house is used for storage, shelter for animals, or as a shaded workspace. This design provides excellent ventilation and protection from floods, wild animals, and pests. 2. Construction materials. The model is constructed primarily from wood and bamboo, which are natural, locally sourced, and sustainable materials. 3. Key architectural features. Steep pitched roof. The roof has a sharp angle, which is highly functional for quickly shedding heavy rainwater, common in tropical climates. External staircase. A separate staircase leads from the ground to the elevated living area. Simple design. The structure is practical and well adapted to its environment, emphasizing function over ornate decoration. 4. Practicality and purpose. Climate adaptation. The design is ideal for hot, humid, and rainy climates. The elevation allows for cool air to circulate, and the steep roof effectively manages rainfall. Flood resilience. By raising the living quarters, the house remains habitable during seasonal floods. In summary, this model effectively demonstrates a simple, intelligent, and highly adaptive architectural solution for the environmental conditions of regions like Cambodia and its neighbors.